Hey foodies! Welcome back to Dollicious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today ay gagawa tayo ng simple lang pero napaka-creamy na dessert. Tawagin natin siyang Maja Blanca. And nilagyan ko siya ng ube flavor. So, tara, simulan na natin! Now, let's get started by going over the ingredients you need. So, as you can see, gagamit tayo ng cornstarch, evaporated milk, cocoa mama gata, condensed milk, whole kernel corn, and then gumamit ako ng cream style, and cheese. Sa bowl, ilagay natin ang 5 cups of cornstarch, and then pour in 2 cans of evaporated milk. Mix it well until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. Kaya magtiyaga lang tayong maghalo-halo. Now, in a large pot or casserole, pour in the cocoa mama gata. Siyempre, pwede kayong gumamit ng fresh na gata. Then, nilagay ko ng condensed milk, yung whole kernel corn, and yung isang corn is yung cream-style corn. Pero, pwede rin naman na parehas lang whole kernel corn. Now, let's turn on the stove to low-medium heat. And then, in-add ko na yung dissolved cornstarch into the pot. And then, keep stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Now, if you want to make it even creamier, you can add the powdered milk and sugar. But remember, these are optional. Siyempre, nasa panlasa niyo pa rin yan. Next, nag-add ako ng cheese to make it even creamier. Keep stirring until the mixture reaches your desired thickness. So, pag okay na yung consistency sa inyo, yan. This time, okay na siya sa akin, so dinivide ko yung recipe. Yung half is the original flavor and the other is naglagay lang ako ng ube flavoring. I just wanted to give it a fun twist. So, tap-tap lang. So, para siksik siya. And then let them cool down. Once it cools, place it in the refrigerator until it's nice and firm. And of course, yung best part nito is the tasting part. Pero syempre later na yan, palalamigin muna natin. Then nag-add din ako ng toppings ng cheese. Pwede rin naman yung toasted na coconut flakes. Pero okay na to. So, optional din naman yan. Hey, remember, in this kitchen, it's all about spreading love and happiness through food. This is Dollicious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. Thanks for watching.